Enw fi di Lewis, ac ar hyn o bryd fi'n freelance floor manager a third assistant director a drwy tuedd i cael rhan fwyaf gwaith fi yn S4C.
My name is Hannah Davis. I'm a freelance production coordinator.
Ifan enw dwi'n freelance runner.
My name is Mark Woods, and I'm developing a freelance production company.
Larry Jones ydw i. Dwi'n gweithio ar hyn o bryd ar Round a Round fel second AD.
What I enjoyed most about the course was sharing the experience really with other people that have worked in different drama genres such as drama and also been producers, runners, and just sort of working together really to sort of learn how to schedule and budget for drama especially together. And also I've really enjoyed having the insight from people that have become sort of more experienced in their fields and getting the extra insight from them.
Dwi wedi mwynhau cyfarfod pobl a dwi wedi really mwynhau dysgu am movie magic.
What I've enjoyed most about the course are the speakers and the course leaders. Sue Jeffries and Dewi Griffiths were the masterclass leaders, and the anecdotes that they told, in addition to the course content, were wonderful. They shared their life experience and their professional experience, and that was an incredible insight into practically applying the stuff that we studied in the course.
Mae'r cwrs yma fi dysgu lot mwy am sut i schedule o budget o raglenni a sut i newid ffordd fi'n gweithio. Wel, fel mae production manager yn neud, achos fi byth i wneud gwaith yn productions o blaen, byth i gweithio yn y swyddfeydd. Felly mae'n neis i dysgu sgiliau, bod ti fewn y swyddfa a sut mae pobl yn meddwl fel a basically be mae'r production managers i bod yn neud blynyddoedd i fi, ffigur ma sut maen nhw'n gweithio a sut mae'n meddwl yn gweithio.
Dwi ar y cwrs Production Manager Training efo Cyfle. Dwi'n meddwl beth dwi wedi dysgu drwy'r cwrs ydy oedd yn really helpful dysgu movie magic, y scheduling a'r budgeting. Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n diddorol siarad o pobl i weld sut maen nhw'n gweithio neu sut fysa nhw'n mynd o gwmpas rhai broblemau falle. Mae jyst i agor y meddwl i o yn lle jyst wneud job fi fatha second yn gwaith. Dwi rwan yn gallu sbio ar y production o fatha un thing cyfa a jyst meddwl, o ia, dyna be maen nhw'n neud, dyna be maen nhw'n neud, a roed fwy o insight i fi i be mae pawb yn neud a be di'r thought processes tyn nhw ffilmio pethau falle.
Pan eisiau gwneud dechrau'r cwrs yma, o'n i wedi cael lot o brofiad yn y diwydiant, ond o'n eisiau gwneud o i weld sut ffordd yma o'n eisiau mynd ac i wneud contacts a dysgu mwy am PM rili.
I decided to do the Cyfle Production Manager training scheme to get more of an insight into budgeting, scheduling, and hopefully open a door to drama. I found the course to be really useful, especially getting the extra insight from people that have worked in the industry and coming in to sort of give us their experiences and learn how they've progressed to that role, and also sharing experiences with other people in the group who have all come from different industry qualifications.
Drwy'r contact dwi wedi gwneud ar y cwrs yma, dwi wedi cael digon o gyfleoedd i gael gwaith. Sy'n lwcus, dim gwaith PM-io, ond gwaith yn y diwydiant, dwi wedi cael gwaith yn rhedwr a bod math o hyd yn eitha extra. Just o'r pobl dwi'n nabod ar y cwrs yma, so mae wedi bod yn werthfawr yn hynna yn ogystal â beth dwi wedi ddysgu o ran PM-io.
The course has definitely given me the extra confidence working within the TV industry at the moment. Just having that extra confidence in yourself to know that you're making the right decisions when it comes to scheduling, and also knowing that you've got that support behind you in making decisions to schedule and budget accordingly.
Os fyswn ni'n chwilio am waith yn near future, fyswn ni'n teimlo fwy confidence rwan efo'r gwybodaeth sgynna fi rwan o'r cwrs a just bod fi'n ddysgu ar movie magic hefyd, so ni'n teimlo ddigon confident i gael dabl yn efo a just neud yw schedule bach a budget o hwnnw, ond swn i tal blaen sy'n wedi mynd trio o gwbl.
Dwi ddim eto wedi cael cynnig gwaith yn ôl bod yn y cwrs yma, ond fi yn gobeithio o pobl fi wedi cwrdd â ar y cwrs fasnach eitha helpu fi cael gwaith.